Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on June 24th. Market analysis. On Monday, due to the escalation of geopolitical conflicts in the Middle East and the dovish remarks of Federal Reserve officials, the spot gold market once rose to the highest of $3,396.70 per ounce yesterday. Later, due to news that Iran accepted the fire agreement, the market risk aversion fell and finally closed at $3,369.04 per ounce. After the opening of Asia and early trading this trading day, the market continued its short-selling trend, reaching as low as $3,333.23 per ounce, and it is currently trading at around $3,342 per ounce. Recent market hotspots focus on trade tariffs and geopolitical conflicts, and the future direction of the Fed's monetary policy will also affect the market direction. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is in a shock stage. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of $33.33 to $33.61. In operation, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price. If the afternoon market breaks 3,361 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at $33.71 to $33.81. If the afternoon market breaks 3,333 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at $33.23 to $33.13. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in a rising mood in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in a high shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillates between 1.1585 and 1.1614, and the operating bank can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this interval. If the market breaks 1.1614 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1660 to 1.1690. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1585 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.1530 to 1.1480. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. On the hourly chart, the exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in a main upward mood, and on the 15-minute chart, it is in a high shock stage, with a shock range of 1.3532 to 1.3572. If the market breaks 1.3572 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3630 to 1.3660. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3532 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be seen at 1.3480 to 1.3430. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a shock stage in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in the shock stage, and the shock range is 0.6468 to 0.6498. In operation, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price. If the market breaks 0.6498 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6530 to 0.6560. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6468 points, you can intervene in the empty order, and the target below can be 0.6430 to 0.6380. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The hourly chart of US dollar to Japanese yen exchange rate is in a shock stage. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock interval is 145.30 to 145.74. If the market breaks 145.74 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 146.20 to 146.60. If the afternoon market breaks 145.30 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 144.80 to 144.30. Stop losses are all 20 points. 0.20.